the crack of dawn. But on my screen you're really turning it on, glowing like a diamond in the early light. Yeah, you're doing everything to make the future look bright, painting a picture with your green candlesticks. But honey, I'm wise to all your little tricks. You look so perfect, you look so clean, the prettiest illusion I have ever seen. You pull a crypto rabbit from a worn out hat. You say your losses weren't that bad, imagine that. It's just a sweet little fiction for the opening bell, a story that I know all too well. You're just a pre-market mirage, baby, looking so real, but you're just crazy. And when the sun gets high and the truth comes through, I'll be making my money by shorting you. Oh, you beautiful pre-market mirage, I see right through. See 'em running in the desert, dying of thirst. They're all believing that they got there first, chasing after water that was never there, just a trick of the light and the hot morning air. But my eyes are clear, baby, I'm hydrated and cool, 'cause I made a promise I would not be the fool. No, not me, baby. You pull a phase one trial from up your sleeve, giving all the hopefuls a reason to believe it's just the same old story for the opening bell. And I'm the only one who knows it's going straight to, well, you're just a pre-market mirage, baby, looking so real, but you're just crazy. And when the sun gets high and the truth comes through, I'll be making my money by shorting you. Oh, you beautiful pre-market mirage, I see right through. This ain't my first rodeo, it ain't my first show. I know the shimmer, I know that special glow. Behind the curtain there ain't nothing there, just empty pockets and a silent prayer. And I ain't praying, baby, I'm getting paid. Oh, look at you go. Oh, you're just a pre-market mirage, baby, looking so real, but you're just crazy. And when the sun gets high and the truth comes through, I'll be making my money by shorting you. Oh, you beautiful pre-market mirage, I see right through. Fading away now, like you always do. So pretty, yeah. You're fading in the sun, baby, but so fake. See you when the market opens.
I see you shining, baby, on the screen. Another rocket launch, a manufactured scene. The chatter's buzzing loud, the retail's buying in. They think they found the gold, where do I even begin? Volume's climbing high, charts are looking green. But I got a different vision, a different kind of scene. My fingers on the trigger, my convictions wearing thin, 'cause everybody's got to end. They're talking moon and stars, a stratospheric flight, but I'm here in the shadows, waiting for the fading light. They built it up so high on hopes and empty claims, just a house of cards playing dangerous games. from that precarious peak. Oh, that glorious halt down is the moment that I seek. Saw this play 100 times, it's nothing new to me. Flashing news and promises for all the world to see. No fundamental reason, just pure and empty hype. While the insiders are prepping for the final perfect strike. Call me cynical, baby, that's just fine with me. But I see the truth behind what they want you to see. You play the hype machine, you sold them all a lie. Now it's time to watch your little paper kingdom die. From that precarious peak, oh, that glorious halt down is the moment that I seek. Yeah, waiting for it. Halt down. Oh, here it comes, baby. Watch it all fall down.
You know the steps. Ha, let's get it. 6 a.m. the coffee's hot and brewing. Scanner's light is cutting through the ruin. Found the one, that diamond in the rough. What's on the crypto treasury? Ain't that funny stuff? They're buying in, they think they struck some gold. About to watch the greatest story ever sold. The volume's pumping so loud and clear, but I hear a different rhythm in my ear. And oh, I see it climbing, what a scene. 1,000 buyers glued up to the screen. But I ain't sweating, nah, I'm cool and calm. Cause the DJ's about to play my favorite song. They do the chase, I do the fade away funk. Oh yeah, betting on that garbage, that beautiful junk. Let 'em run it up, up, up to the sun. I'll be waiting at the top just to have my fun. Dancing on the way back down till the day is done. The fadeaway funk. The FOMO's kick and see them lose their heads. Believe in every single word that's said. Our earnings call a wild success. It just means the company's a slightly smaller mess. I find my entry clean and so precise. Don't have to think it over, don't have to check it twice. Cause I've seen this movie, baby, and I know the end. Here comes the final scene, my friend. Oh, I see it topping out, what a view. The panic setting in for the whole darn crew. But I ain't selling, baby, I'm just getting warm. Cause this is just the quiet before the storm. They do the chase, I do the fade away funk. Oh yeah, betting on that garbage, that beautiful junk. Let 'em run it up, up, up to the sun. I'll be waiting at the top just to have my fun. Dancing on the way back down till the day is done. Some people call it gamble, say it's just a guess. But this ain't random, baby, this is chess. It's a rhythm, it's a beat that I can feel. The pump is the illusion, but the fade is real. They do the chase, I do the fade away funk. Come on, betting on that garbage, that beautiful junk. Let 'em run it up, up, up to the sun. I'll be waiting at the top just to have my fun. Dancing on the way back down till the day is done. Oh, the fade away.
How we doing, Green Team? Good morning to you guys. Happy Thursday. And your traders competition day 2 yesterday. Like 13th place, I think. Yeah, let me see. Up 129,000, but the leading guy is up 736,000. So I'm gonna be swinging on the competition on a couple plays. On some of these just high, maybe even on that IPO perfect fall that we were just looking at. Just swing hard, very hard on something, and then move along. I want to get the funded going. I'm very close to just getting a payout, and so I want to get that funded going today. There's a few backside plays I'm looking at from some hype yesterday. And that's what I do like to focus on. What was hot yesterday, and we could continually see a fade there on those plays today. And additionally, what's going to be popping up this morning. But right now, I got my eyes peeled on the NXL. NXL yesterday was hot. It did a zombie hour push up into the 220s and then failed that. So I like the fail that I'm seeing. Oh, now I'm going to show you guys that chart. Yeah, NXL failed the 220s and then rejected off of that resistance overhead. And now we're sitting under the previous close, 186, under that consolidation, 160. So I'd like to, this is kind of hangoverish. I'd like to see a continual fade there. Additionally, there were a few plays that were up on like nothing yesterday, right? It was like XBIO. XBIO was up on nothing. No news, nothing here. Just a bioscience ticker. We saw a couple of those run like SPRG. What was the other ticker that everybody was blowing up on a couple days ago that was shooting straight up? It was in the 30s. We faded it really well. I'm trying to remember that ticker. DFLIQRE. Yeah, but yeah, I'm looking for essentially something very similar to that, with maybe even XBIO against 10, 20. We're way off of the highs, but again, this was up on nothing. $4, still up to $9. Fades will be here in a few to go over some of these setups as well. And then ACXP is one. ACXP actually, I believe, had news. So this was a lower float play, 4 to 8. But they actually received a patent. It's an Australian patent office grants them their patent for DNA polymerase inhibitors. So there was actually something there for ACXP holding that ticker up. Some reputable news on it. But this morning, I know Perfect Fall just mentioned BJDX. BJDX, this one, what is the news here? So it's a healthcare ticker. A lot of these getting the volume behind them. Just a sector that's just been running irrationally. 6:30 a.m. Blue Jay Diagnostics and Sanyo Psycho. It's a Japanese manufacturer, apparently. But they expanded their strategic partnership to advance commercialization of the Symphony platform. All right, so they came out with some news there. Their strategic partnership, hitting those keywords, getting the AI, the bots, pick up those keywords. Let's take a look left of the chart on BJDX. Look left here, and 350. Whoa, 350 is very tough here. BJDX. And then above that, it's going to be like 420 and $5. 350, 420, $5. Okay, so 350 might actually be somewhat of a floor. We're sitting at $4. Yeah, like 3. Could probably pull down to 330 before it bounces. Okay, we'll monitor that action. Obviously, up towards that 550 is tough, but then 350. It feels a little one-to-one right now. We'll monitor the action there. But let's get into Mr. Fade's watch list for this morning. Fades, how we doing? Good morning to you.
Good morning, guys. How's it going? Saw Paul said it was a little choppy so far.
Yeah. How's your pre-market been?
It's good. I called that play in Discord last night. Ambo had a really juicy after-hour session yesterday, guys. So that was nice. Dude, there was this one Chinese pumping up. Oh my god. If you want to pull the ticker up, I think it's ZCMD. Look at that chart, dude. These are the stocks we live for. Let me make sure that's the right one.
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, so I caught that after hours. And yeah.
Oh
I
man.
made a good little fortune on that one. And then what was the one I called? Ambo, that thing, dude. These freaking pumps, man.
So you
AMBO.
got this on on your new funded?
Yeah, so I overnighted that one as well, and James was able to clean up as well on it. Good stuff, man. My first call in
Oh,
the Discord, baby. Let's go.
your first call in the Discord. Yeah. It looked like you were waking up there. I kept getting alerts like, oh, Fades is finally here in the
I
Discord.
literally like woke up like sometimes it'll just happen out of like instinct or whatever. I woke up at like 4:02, and I'm like, oh, I overnighted that. And I looked, and Ambo had already flushed like 20%. I'm like, cha-ching. So it's not usually that easy, but when it is, it's nice, man.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
bet. Good
but yes,
work, man.
these are two great plays, but nothing lasts forever. So here we are, a fresh day. BJDX was the only one that was kind of calling me, but as Fall has said, and the price action is staying strong here. There we go. There's a little reclaim. So um,
Well, I
yeah,
like it. I kind of like what it's doing here because I like it off of this 350. The 350 left was really going to be an interesting level because it was very strong 350 as a
hmm
ceiling, and now we may get that as a little support
yeah,
for
you're right.
420 50 $5. It does get wicky. Like, where do we see the wicks? This is why we do past chart analysis, guys. Where do we see the wicks? We really see those in the 550s.
hmm
A lot of the wicks are in the 550s. So on the daily, I mean, so if we see that action here today, like this ticker heading up into the 550s again, I wouldn't mind hitting it for that 550 wick form.
Okay, yeah. So more of like a euphoric warrior pump and then short it down.
Yeah, up towards
Okay.
that level. I mean, honestly, may start it a little earlier just because I do imagine this 425 is going to be kind of heavy, but maybe start
Yeah,
half position.
I took a paper cut in it, and I'm just kind of watching it now. It didn't do what I wanted it to do yet, so
So, dude, I'm with the competition. I'm just going all in on one ticker. Like, there's no way I'm winning this because,
right. Yeah,
you know,
that's the only way. And I honestly, bro, we probably need to go long. To be honest with you, like if the market presents herself, go long and just hold because like that's how you're gonna win. Like someone is gonna degenerate long the next king of the day, and like double their account. Like that's how they're gonna win. Like someone already damn near did that. Like I
mhm.
guarantee you they didn't make it by shorting a bunch of plays. They might have. They might have. But it's probably long that are making that money. Um,
What do
so
you
that's
think about this TTRX
yeah. I was reading
IPO? It's kind of trending up. Uh,
it's an interesting level that it's at now, but yeah, it's like these IPOs are just it's almost like hmm, just waiting on confirmation that's up so much, like let it really get bearish, like really break a trend line with some selling pressure and then kind of chase it small size. Like I'd probably play it that way. That's probably better than trying to get in front of it and time the top.
yeah, because it almost feels like it has another run left in it. It's kind of stair steppy. I'd like to see
Mhm.
one blow off move on it and then get involved there. But hey, good work yesterday on DFly. You got your 10 cents, didn't you?
No.
Oh, you
I
you
got like 7 cents and it liquidated me. So annoying, dude. I was at like 8, 9 cents flirting with it and I never quite got it. So annoying. I hate when that happens.
Oh,
And
I
then
thought
it
you
worked
took it
out.
like
Faded even more.
132.3 because it went down to 122 was the
Yeah,
low.
that 350 liquidation's annoying. And I thought you might be able to get around that by buying a swing account. They are more expensive. But I think they still liquidate you even in those at 350 if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure though. I have to double check that. But
Yeah, I'm not sure. That
that
would.
could be something to consider going forward because honestly, like with how much I trade and stuff, that 350 liquidation has screwed me up quite a bit, like on positions I've been working. So
Yeah.
I don't know.
So, yeah, that would be my two watches out of the gate fades are going to be probably NXL because it did the move already. I feel like
Mm-hmm.
she's going to stay heavy
Yeah,
against like
you're right.
170s and
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
NXL against 160 70 and what's the other one? I think like XBIO against like 10 20, dude. Like the previous close. This is up on nothing.
Mm-hmm.
XBIO. I think we could get another fade today. Like XBIO and ACXP are both looking similar, but ACXP actually had like patent news. They actually had something. They had some news there.
Mm-hmm.
XBIO is up on nothing, which I mean, they could nothing is something in the market sometimes.
Yeah,
But
yeah. All of those Kings of the Days did the same thing that we were talking about, that hyper
mhm,
hangover theme. Like
yeah.
after hours, like all of the Kings faded. Like
Oh,
pretty much all of them did, like a good bit.
this one too. This one too. SCWO.
BJDX a decent red candle there. Just keeping an eye on it for
You see
elevator.
this? Okay. 30 cents
Yeah,
up to
that
a
was the
dollar.
one that grinded. So all the Kings faded. That was the one that kind of stayed true and kept grinding into after hours yesterday. So what's the deal there? Is there news? It's at a dollar, right? Yeah, SC. It's like a water company or something.
Yesterday, they appointed a new interim president effective
BJDX is
immediately.
starting to get a little interesting here. I don't want to tunnel in too much, but yeah, it's like I thought about maybe taking another little bit for the flush, but I don't know. Market's a little tricky. Like Fall said, sentiment could be changing. Bulls could be getting a little rowdy
What
again,
was
and that's
that?
the thing. Got to be quick on your feet and adapting.
Good morning, Bob. Good to see you in here, Bob. I'm glad you got your account back and going and doing well in life. Happy to hear it. DJ and James, what ticker was that? I forget, but I took it off the watch list, and there may be something there. Which ticker was that they blew up on? Because we faded that one all day. Do you remember? I took it off the watch list.
When
The one that the Warriors blew up on the other day. We faded it. It was like 2 days ago.
BTTP or
BTT.
GLTO?
It might not BTTC. It was, what's the other one? GLTO. Oh, it was probably GLTO. I think that was it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. GLTO. Yeah, and that one still up on nothing too.
It's at $10 now. It gave a lot back, but it's still up. Let's see. Yeah, the hyper hangovers have been the theme for sure. Like the pumps give it up quickly.
Because GLTO was up on nothing, right? I mean, we're still up from a few dollars to 10.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, how's the
Yeah.
chart?
I mean, it might get a little short covering pop, but likely stays fairly heavy. I rode that thing from 28 down to 20, so it feels weird to take a entry at like 10,
Yeah.
But
Yeah, man, you could just stick with those faders that run like that hard, and sometimes they just never get love. BJDX, several red candles trickling here, guys. Are they just trapping us?
that has been the theme lately, huh?
Uh-oh. Downward doggy since it tried to test that 420 again.
I know. That would have been
You
the
got the
ideal entry.
IPO and you got this thing, and the Bulls don't have anything else. Like, Bulls might be trying to force it, and this thing's not wanting to run anymore, and it could cause a collapse here.
Right. I could see that. Dude,
So
I
you
think
might smack at tiny size just to get involved, but I'm just studying it right now.
SCWO, I'm really thinking about just starting it, because I could see that one just hangover flushing, kind of like D-Fly did, down towards like 70 or lower. It's up a lot.
Yeah, that's worth putting on the list.
Yeah, SCWO, she really does look good.
It's already kind of fading a little bit. Yeah. Dollar low.
It already went through a dollar, right, or no? No, not quite.
Yeah, the competition was annoying. Or I mean, the buying power pre and post, because I shorted Ombo at $8, dude, on the comp, but I only made 50K. I could have made like 400K, or like 300K or something like that.
All right, I'm gonna try to.
There's here.
I'm gonna try to get involved with SCWO. I think it's gonna. I think she's gonna stay heavy and snap here.
A cheaper idea for Hangover is Buru. Things up
Guru,
3%.
Guru, Buru.
Buru. It's up 300%. It's down 10% today. It might be fading back
Okay.
down.
Yeah.
CRB, is that still untradeable? They're just not letting us touch that thing. Certainly not
I
now.
don't know.
They're like, yeah. Is it still holding its gains like QMMO?
It is. It's at $155. SPR.
Okay.
Yeah. Unreal.
And SOPA is still up a good bit. XBio is still up 250%. Like you said, mentioned earlier. It's like it looks like it gave it all up, but there's still a lot to fade, essentially. BJDX turned into the king of the day.
Trap. Yeah, that one may have trapped them.
Yeah, we called for that. It was a little trappy, but like just the experience told me something wasn't right. It didn't feel right. And Fall has been calling that too. He said it got choppy, kept reclaiming. So good awareness there.
Is anybody else using Momo Screener? Because I think it's dead. I think it's like down or something. I haven't been able to, or maybe it's just the market. I don't know.
I think
No, it's dead.
Between XBio and GLTO, then we have that EPSM. That thing's still up 200% as well. It's a more expensive play, a little sketchier. Let's see. So we got a few plays up a couple 100% over the past few days still. So like something should probably start giving it up. Let's see. Or continue to give it up. I think they have. So XBio is down 13% today. Buru is down 11. That ULY play, that was just like super slow. There's like no volume. I'm gonna take that off the watch list. GLTO Baby Red. That RK was a cheaper sleepy fade. Buru 10 cents is gonna be like annoying, but let me see how I feel about this. Man, BJDX just squeezed them all.
Yeah. She started looking weak and you called it. You were like, is that gonna be the
Sure.
I don't know, man. It actually this is where I would like to start it, but because we're getting wiki past chart history in this 450 area.
9 o'clock.
What's the float on this thing? I'm like my scanner's down. BJDX.
Let's see. My computer's lagging too. I might want to hop over on my phone for a few.
I'm gonna just get involved small, like half-size BJDX, because I like the wiki nature up here on the past chart history, and probably just smack it again over 5.
Okay.
She gets up there. Outside of that, I'm trying to get involved with SCWO. But I may even wait on that one. Just see if it gets that dollar tap.
Mm-hmm.
And then NXL I do like a lot. NXL against like 170 is pretty good.
Dang, is Buru about to flush, dude? The thing's on a downtrend right now. It's up like 300% in 5 days. Look at that chart, dude.
I'm taking NXL as well, traders, just FYI.
Okay.
NXL.
Yeah. So Buru came from 12 cents on what? It's looking trickly bearish. Just the 10 cents is annoying, but let's see here.
So in NXL and BJDX right now. But BJDX,
Orbit to boost defense sector. Buru.
Buru the Guru.
Good
Yeah.
defense software. I mean, they came from 12 cents. Like they're trying to be a defense stock now. Like what? Is the hype gonna hype or is it coming back down?
If I was at C Pro, for instance, I would hit it and go for a few cents, because I definitely see this thing like dropping at least 4, 5, 6 cents. You know, like I see but the 10 cents is tricky.
Yeah,
That's questionable.
yeah, it is. Sure is.
Because it is a beautiful hangover, and you got 65 cents as the previous close. It's looking really good.
It's king of the backside right now as well. If anything, just small size because you have to get the 10 cents, and it's it just doesn't call for heavier risks because of that. Okay, let's see. Besides that, PCSA. So you took NXL?
Yeah, I like it against really like 170. I may hit it for more. I like
but yeah.
Well,
some of these charts have just been grindy, man.
SCWO, I do like that one, but
don't just dump to freaking 40 cents right now. That's going to be so annoying. That'd be like the third day in a row where we call a cheap play, we say we both like it, but we don't take it, and then it just like does exactly what we want it to do.
I know. That's why I'm thinking about SCWO too, because I'm like, dude, I need to just get involved with it. It's a good hangover.
Yeah, but it did pump. So keep in mind though, it ran into yesterday. Like all the kings faded, but SCWO actually kept going into after hours, and now it's kind of based there. So it's like the run may have already been put in, but also like who's pushing this thing higher and continuing to hold it here?
Mm-hmm.
Just looking at it from both perspectives.
BJDX kind of failing. I might size it here if it's going to fail.
Yeah, you smacked that pop, didn't you? Let me see. Yeah. I didn't like that trappy action, and Fall has been on it and been getting kind of chopped, so that's good. Good to know. And now we got a pop here, so this is going to be really telling for the trend going forward, right? If it reclaims that 50% or if he gives it up. It's right there at like the 50% level of this pump. So what's he going to do? Is he going to hold or wash it?
Yeah, it feels heavy right here at 452.
It's going to have to snap back up pretty quick for the Bulls to stay rowdy.
420 is a key area here. Let's see what she's going to do at 4.
Wow. Careful. That thing feels trappy, bro. I don't trust it right now. It's just, to each their own.
No, I get that. I get it.
ATs, yeah. Besides that, though, we just got that TTRX. I mean, eventually, like I said, I'll just be having that thing on watch, looking for like that final thing where it starts to scream at me and say take it. But I don't want to get in front side of a $30 wiki IPO play in this market. Like we've seen that just wreck accounts. So besides that, yeah. So the top hangovers are going to be Buru. I just hate, the 10 cents makes it almost untradeable. Because it's just, you just lose so much edge. There's been so many trades where I've been up hundreds of dollars and not been able to capitalize because that 10-cent roll. It's very frustrating. Okay, so XBio. Yeah, that thing's been just continuing to work.
Yeah, I'll BJDX. I just took the 10 cents on it. I'll revisit
Good work, man. Nice
it.
hit.
NXL is creepily climbing from my
I mean, we
entry.
might just want to try to be degenerates on the competition and predict the next long play because like nothing's going on. So if something starts to pump, it might get rowdy. I mean, as far as like just mathematics goes with the competition, it's like you almost got to catch a good long. You're just gonna have to short like full max leverage short several plays to like keep up with some of these degenerate longs that are gonna happen.
Mm-hmm.
It's like there's so many people and they're all throwing a dart at a long. One of those longs is gonna get going right and shoot up. So that's probably what we're gonna see with the comp. If I had to guess.
All in BJDX. SCWO looking heavy. Yeah, the leader was like 730,000. Goodness. Whew. That's why it's just a need to.
TTRX is on like a baby downtrend, like right now in a very small time frame, but I don't want to get chopped up.
Yeah,
There.
against 33.4.
It's definitely worth watch. So it's a fresh IPO. Uh, Fall said it's been real choppy this morning, reclaiming. So it's like we really want to see something confirmed there, but it did just break the trend it's on, actually, and looking kind of bearish. But just be careful. The bell's about to be here, so play with caution.
Yeah, there's the link for you, Uzo, for the Trade the Pool leaderboard.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, I mean, a little sleepy so far. So my top hangover watches.
Oh, GLTO it's pumping a little bit right now.
Dang, TTRX is still trickling. If I want to get, it broke its trend.
You hear me, bro? GLTO, it might give us an entry today.
Yeah, it hasn't showed up on my scanner yet. Is it just a little baby bounce?
No,
How much?
no, she's a daddy bounce.
Let me refresh it.
I mean, $10 to 13 something. Momo screener's not working.
It's still not showing up for me. Gee, oh no, yeah, there it is. Okay, it's up 25% now. Yeah, those former runners can also be dangerous. You know, when they get rowdy again. So, but that might be like just a more of a sign to lean into the other backside plays, right?
This is annoying.
So, what is TTRX doing right now? This thing came from $6, super pumpy, sloppy second reclaim.
What's a good YouTube channel you guys watch for the getting that just has a scanner up so we can get a live data? Because yeah, I need something going here. Momo screener.
TTRX and BWAP right now, guys, worth watch to note. Let's just see what it's going to do.
GLTO hitting a little level of resistance 14. All right, give me 1 second.
Hello. Hey man, this is cool, James. We all get to get together and go through this journey together. It's pretty cool stuff. Happy to be here. It's been helping me out a lot, like getting on stream with you guys.
Yep, there's nothing like it. Nothing like the journey with the green team. Nothing like it. All right, so yeah, the screener's not working for me.
Okay, so I'll give you a rundown. I mean, TTRX and BJDX are both the kings, and then third king is TLNC. That's a
TLS.
might be new. Then we got previous runner ATCH. Besides that, everything's kind of slow at 40-30%. TTRX starting to give it up, guys. I took a baby starter there. So it just broke down below VWAP. So keep an eye out. Remember the time, the nature of these stocks, the IPO pump and dump. So if you're going to get involved like real small right now, might end up just closing it out. Like, just going to be focusing on that one. As far as backside watch list, we got XBio, we got Buru, SOPA, GLTO. But that thing's kind of bouncing back up, and then I feel like there was another one.
All right. Green Machine and the green team. Love it. Yeah, a couple times you guys have mentioned Zendu. I'm going to have that pulled up. Appreciate that. And yeah, I got that pulled up now. Yeah, Momo screeners. Normally what I use, and they're down right now.
Interesting. Yeah, I like to use Weeble. Dang, BJDX gave it up, bro. Are you still in that?
BJDX.
Elevator time? It's all the way back at 4. If they can't
No, I'm not in it.
get guys,
I would
that
like
was
to. I
big.
mean, that was the wiki level, on it.
Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna get it from here, guys. This thing, I'm stabbing it very small, like expecting to add into it, but if it just dumps, then that's fine.
8% roll.
It's pre-market, so it doesn't count.
Oh, okay. That's right.
I mean, after that action, like, here we go, guys. This thing's heavy. Someone's selling it. Did they offer?
390. Entering into an agreement. Yeah, I mean, I'm seeing that was the wiki level in the 450s. That's good. Wow, what a trade. Good job.
TTRX bouncing a little bit.
You got the Momo screener working for you over there?
Me?
Uzo said he. Let me refresh.
I'd be very surprised to see it reclaim back to that low mid 4 level, but we've seen it all. So, 3.8 is really key though. Like if it busts down below 3.8 with no love, like good night. 4 is key though. I mean, 4 of the bulls are already freaking, but 3.8 was like that final level there. I saw.
All right, so BJDX. I'm watching NXL. That's the one I'm in right now for a snap. Fade's working BJDX. And then outside of that, SCWO is an interesting play up from 40 cents to near $1. I like that for potential bleed today as well. And then TTRX IPO, that thing's bleeding a bit right now.
Yeah, that thing's interesting. Just worth watching. See what they do at the bell. Probably bag hold, audition it or something. BJDX struggling a lot, trading like some bad news came out or something. Or sellers just stepped in. Anything can happen. So it could reclaim, but I mean that was a pretty good confirmation for bears to start kind of getting comfortable. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, that was a pretty nasty sell-off. That may be heavy off of that.
Yeah, so I'll just scale some stops and kind of let that.
GLTO still straight up. Dude, they're waking this beast back up.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see GLTO doing it, man. I don't see it happening. But where could she go? Let me take a look. GLTO. What does it stand for? Good luck to. What's
Yeah,
the
I think it's second king of the day now. Oh, that other trade that popped up already dumped the third king. Which one was that? It's not even showing up on my scanner now.
TCRT? TCRT was your cash cow. Yeah, that thing. Like.
That's the one I called that already dumped.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Good work, guys. Yeah, the both of you caught that.
Dang it, dude. I saw it on the scanner. I didn't even pull it up. I didn't have time to. That's all right. Can't catch them all. I like how BJDX looks after that final like sweep, final like bull trap there. They trapped the. They kind of did like a baby bear trap, but it really was just consolidated. And then they trapped the bulls. Is what it looks like now.
Yeah.
TTR studying that one.
Where does she go though? BJDX. The reason I'm hesitant right at that level is all that 350 support on the past chart history.
Yeah, that's true. That is true, but it also shot up from a sub $2. So more so, people are probably going to be looking at that, wondering, "Good God, like, can this thing go a little bit way back there?" I'd say like $3 or 350 is realistic. 350 is not a bad price target for sure. 360 scalp flush there. Up 110% still in the day, so room to give. Came from sub $2, so TTRX, is it going to get love here? Is it going to fade?
I know, for real. Are we going back to 7? Or, I mean, the clear risk guide's like 33. 5 minutes till the market opens. 5
I'm
minutes
going
till
to
the
hop
open
on my
markets.
phone real quick. I'm getting just a little bit of lag at Bell just to make sure.
Okay.
And then I'll hop back over here. So.
Yeah, I'm working in Excel. Not the best average here. Let me see. Damn. 154. I liked it against 170 for the snap, but she's getting a little love right now. She's getting a little loving. Man, I figured she's going to stay heavy against all this resistance from yesterday. I may hit her again and give it like this 170 is kind of an area I want to stay heavy. Really want the 170s to stay heavy there. Give it just a little bit of time here. But over under 170, I'll be out of that one. TTRX looking to break through 25. Yeah, coming down towards that 25. That IPO. I do like it against that high that it just put in, like the 33. So that's what I'd likely size it against for just and then SCWO's creepily crawling up towards $1 right now. GLTO guessed the top. So likely we're going to do that over at Trade the Pool later on. I asked them and they're okay with it, giving a 5K eval for, trader that guesses the top, the closest to it at least. We'll play that game over there. BJDX heavy now. Dang. TTRX feeling heavy. Yeah, market's getting close to opening, so I'm probably just going to see what this NXL does and then stab at something else after the market opens. Damn. I guess I'm going to have to take this thing off. Got a minute and a half, guys. Minute and a half. TTRX getting kind of rowdy right here before the market opens up. BJDX still just, that one feels fairly heavy there off of the 4. And then SCWO curling up towards $1. I'm going to have to hit that $1.20 over the dollar for that $1.20 magic.
All right, guys. I got to get a couple payouts to get a new computer. I was like hardcore gaming, and I spilled like a whole glass of water all over my computer board like a year or two ago. Still holding strong, but yeah.
All over your computer.
I don't know. I think it's fine, but I don't like it at all.
Very choppy on my end, by the way. Just FYI.
Okay.
Maybe.
How does it sound for you guys?
Okay, that's a little. Whatever you just did right there, or mentioning it apparently helped out. Robo.
Yeah, I'm just giving it a few minutes. I'll hop back on. BJDX is working out well.
Mm-hmm. I'm watching NXL out of the gates here.
And that IPO as well at the gates. What's it doing? Is it just going to dump? I mean, that thing could like halt down if they wanted to.
TTRX on the 25 line right now. SCWO at 90.
Yeah, TTRX is interesting. BJDX, it sucks because I can't chase this now when I take my profit on my funded. So I'm sitting in leftovers now. I secured some profit. See what it's going to do. This thing might just halt down.
Oh my God, BJDX. Good work. Setting the stop NXL 172 so I don't have to tunnel it here. BJDX, dude, what a play. Good work.
Yeah, I mean, it's like when it confirms, like I do preach that. It's okay to chase a little bit, like very small size when it confirms like that. Are they going to halt it here? Looks like it's halting, guys. Big seller walking this thing down, smashing that wall.
TTRX, very heavy.
Oh, nope, it's gone. Fake. It was fake. I covered the rest for now, but oh, there's the wall again. But can I chase this? I don't know if I can. That wall's still there. I'm going to chase it even if it doesn't count with its very tight risk. I'm watching a big seller here at 3.6 range, seeing what he's doing. If he's spoofing, I'm out. If he's real, I'm staying.
SCWO over $1, guys.
Okay. Yeah, that one's been bullish, man. Did we see news on that?
Yeah, they got the new president.
Okay. President of the water company. They elected a new member of the board of the water company.
Damn it! I wanted to hit that at 108. Fuck. Come on, give it to me, SCWO.
BJDX, I covered again. Covered again on BJDX. Okay. So I got my paper cut back. I healed my paper cut.
Oh,
so that's good. TTRX, guys, that thing's just weak. I wish I would have just stuck with my initial trade there.
Oh,
that thing's going to give it up. It's up 200%. What's going on? Dang it,
I'm
dude.
just
Buru's
gonna have to
jumping.
chase this. It feels like SCWO. Let me see.
Which one?
I just
You
I'm gonna
chasing?
hit SCWO against 120. I don't. I wanted a better entry here.
Oh, it's already flushing?
It hit a 109 high. I'm gonna work it against one. I'm gonna get involved against
Oh,
120.
okay. Guys, TTRX is not getting any love. See if it's going to somehow find a base here or just keep selling.
SCWO, come to daddy, come to daddy. Come on. Joseph in the building. What's going on, Joseph?
TTRX just downtrend galore, guys. BJDX Reclaim, X Bio, Sleepy Fade, Buru, you freaking piglet, King of the Backside. We didn't take it.
BJDX. Wow, what a bounce there. Nearly off of the 350s. TTRX. Yep, she's still fading. SCWO, I may hit it again. We just got over $1. Hit it up there at $1, but I'm thinking about leaning into it.
TTRX, Piggly Wiggly. Scalped it a little bit, micro scalp for a little something. Still lagging a little bit for some reason. A couple baby green trades there. Anything fresh on the scanner, guys?
ABVE maybe? I don't know. I'm watching this new scanner because mine's not working. Oh, ABVE actually is a hangover-ish. But it's that bouncing off the previous close, ABVE.
I forgot about the competition. I'm not seeing anything from Freeman, really. Kind of like yesterday, too. I feel like we're being more selective, which is a good thing because that's how we win. Like, we know that we don't have to just immediately jump in trades. Like, less is more, for sure.
Mm-hmm.
TTRX Reclaim. I got my quick scalp in and out on that thing. Coming back a little bit.
Is
Maybe
GLTO still holding up? GLTO is halted up.
CRML is also still pumping up. D-Fly bouncing. Sopo is still green. DVLT backside play continues to fade.
Yeah, that snapped. Dang it, dude. That snapped right out of the gates there.
Yeah, but I mean, well, shit, we can't chase it on the funded, but is it like starting to sell off? Because it's getting volume, dude. Like it's got a little bit of volume, and it's selling.
Not because I'm just involved with it, but NXL may be like risking that open high it just put in, so maybe not bad because it's not too far off of that for anybody wanting to get involved there. I'm in that for a sleepy fade.
NXL, yeah, that was a one.
SCWO. Let's go. Payday. It's time to get funded. Paid out, I mean.
Let's go, dude.
SCWO, yeah, we're sitting pretty.
Why is it not showing up on my Weeble? Oh, it doesn't show up on Weeble? Oh, no, there it is. Water company. Oh, my God. Wow, dude, look at that. Is it halting down? Oh, man, what a hit, dude. What a trade. Look at that.
Yeah, I mean, I was feeling like leaning into it and didn't, but I'll take it. I got a 99
TTRX,
average.
guys. TTRX. TTRX is trying to maybe confirm downtrend here. Let's see what it's going to do, guys.
That against what's your 33, 34 level? You thinking?
No, like 26, 27. I'm looking at like the smaller time frame.
Smaller.
It just had a recovery bounce to 26 and slam back down to 23s. So that's like a good risk level is honestly like 27, just to stay heavy. And now that would be like a quadruple wick top there. So that one is looking pretty good, to be honest. So I'm scaling that one again. I mean, I could go all in short on the competition, but I mean, I might just do that, to be honest.
GLTO was the halt up, by the way. Keep that one in mind.
Yeah, I think I'm.
ABVE against 520 doesn't look too bad. ABVE against 520.
Okay. This competition is so degenerate. Like just throwing $1 million on a stock in seconds. Yeah, you got to go big or go home. And like I said, the longs are going to be all in something that might pump. So we really want to. I mean, as far as the competition goes, we don't want a big runner because if there's a big runner, that means somebody degenerately longed it. More than likely. So I'm max leverage short TTRX on the competition. I'm up 25K right now. My trade.
Okay.
And I took it on my funded as well. Like I said, it looks like it just confirmed, guys. Elevator watch, guys. TTRX. Stop is like 26.5, 27. I'll adjust it down as the green starts to come. Yeah, TTRX looks like it confirmed, Joseph. Smaller time frame. It's going to take a lot of manipulation to come back now. Let's see. Yeah, I just slammed that with $1 million in the comp short. It reclaims. I'll lose it all. That's how it goes. You gotta. I mean,
There you go.
is that a halt down?
SCWO, baby. Who's working it? Let's go, guys.
Dang, dude, you killed that one.
Well,
So are you just adjusting your stops down?
I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't know. I'm just watching the profits roll in right now.
Bring your stop downs in case it wicks back up on you, right?
It's probably smart, yeah. I'm gonna take
TTRX halt
half
watch.
off. Adjusted stop is gonna be at 90 cents for me. NXL's being a POS though. That's kind of the main problemo right now. But I put a 167 stop on NXL. I kind of want it just to stay heavy where it's at. If not, I'll take that off. And then ABVE, I did stab at that one. ABVE, I like it against 520. ABVE. Here, it fades us back. streaming from
Good work,
his.
guys. Got to hold down.
Oh, TTRX, nice. Excellent. GLTO's opened.
BJDX is still dumping too, guys. That thing's like on elevator watch too. Are they about to halt BJDX, guys? Thing's free falling. It broke that 3.8, which I called for. I don't want to chase it here, man. If it halts down, I'll have to.
D Pro spiking straight up. Service. I'm just on this new scanner looking at some tickers.
Yeah, I'm seeing EPWK. That's too cheap to even mention. GLTO.
I pulled that up. It's at 12 cents. Dude, how am I supposed to get
Right?
10 cents out of that?
Yeah. You're gonna be getting a big payout, but it won't count. They'll get the payout.
Oh no.
So you're gonna take a payout request?
When I have the option, I'm gonna seriously consider it. If I can get that option today, we'll see.
Yeah, I think my plan of taking a third of my drawdown of the profit, like I like that approach. So like
Okay.
on a 25K, you'd pay yourself, or actually your drawdown, right? So I would pay yourself out according to your drawdown. I think like your first payout on a funded account, a good idea would be to take the amount of your first drawdown.
The
'Cause
amount.
that gives you plenty of cushion, but it like your daily draw or your max loss on the day is a good amount to pay yourself. I feel like
I
to like
see.
protect your account and still have a buffer and like
Yeah,
you know,
I got you.
it's not going to be like a ton of money, right? But it's still like you're still paying yourself and you're still working a funded account with plenty of wiggle room. Like that's the key. Like
Yeah, yep. Yeah,
so
it just needs to be real. You know, it needs to snap into reality. What you got? What you clap? Oh my God! Oh, I thought TTRX opened up lower. Were you clapping? Or did you just kill a fly or something?
No, I was just stretching.
Oh, okay.
TTRX, I'm anticipating it though. I mean, I'm all in on the competition and the halt down, and I got 60 shares on my funded, so I'm chilling. But yeah, I like that. So that's my idea. Like, I'm gonna take a $500 payout on a 25K, and I'm gonna take a $1,000 payout on my 50K. Like once I hit those levels,
Yeah.
treat myself to that, and then I still have plenty of wiggle room, but I paid myself.
Yep.
So on the 50K, I just need to make one more green day, and then I'll get paid out. So I already hit my queue. Like I'm green today, I'm green yesterday. So tomorrow I'll try to work baby green day and that, and then sit on it. And then what does that mean? Monday morning, boom, payout request. And that's the beauty of having two different funding accounts too. You know, you can really start to make waves.
You are a fart smeller or a smart feller. Dad joke. GLTO. That one.
Yeah, I mean, you wouldn't say that if you've seen all the accounts I blew, but you know, here we are. Today's a new day.
GLTO looks heavy, guys, off of that 18 it just put in. Dang, dude. It does look pretty good.
TTRX resumption, guys.
Oh.
Why am I lagging? It's like super slow, dude. This thing might get nasty. What's it going to do? Like a gap resumption down, baby gap down, and sleepy. I took a third off on the funded. Took half off on the funded. And I'm riding that thing to $5 on the comp.
Oh, man.
On the comp, I'm probably up like 100K at this point. I smacked it like 24, 25 with my flippers. See, that's the thing. Even if this thing worked out perfect, I'd still only be up a couple 100K or something on the comp, right? Because of just shorting in the math.
ABVE, baby, let's
Where's
go.
that?
Come on.
Okay. I got to get caught up here, guys. Securing the
you stay
bag
heavy
here.
and snap. You just stay heavy, ABV. Yeah, I'm just working ABV, SCWO, NXL still, and it's all three of those.
All right, nice. I was able to hit Q on the day on that trade on my 25K.
Nice. Let's go. Oh, BIAF might give us an entry. That play I was regretful on yesterday when Carlos brought it up because I didn't take it. But, dude, she's popping up towards a lot of that resistance from yesterday.
Okay. Let's see. BIAF.
Yeah, it's not up a lot on the day, but it's just popping up towards a lot of the resistance from yesterday.
BJDX is another one. Like,
shoot,
is there an elevator here? It's real close to breaking down, guys. BJDX. Keep an eye on that. TTRX might not be done either, but I did close out on my funded. Still working that on the comp though, as it trickles lower. I don't even know where I want to cover this on the competition because like my psychology is all screwed up. Like I'm up 150K in the trade right now, bro. But it's like, when do I take it off? Like 40,000 shares up 150K in like 10 minutes on the short. Man. Easy come, easy go.
I'm going to take ABV off. Dang it. I was looking for the snap down, and then I just recovered that, so out of that.
Okay. Yeah, I haven't seen a lot of plays screaming at me, man. Is this thing going to base here? I don't want to get back the money I'm up. Let's see. All right. I covered for a 100K profit. Revisit.
That's crumbs, man. Crumbs.
So
your Buru, dude. Your Buru would have worked out for us. Hate to bring that up.
Don't tell me that.
Hate to bring it up.
We got to start respecting these penny play faders, man, because they just give it up, right? These sub dollars that lose the attention, like they just give it up.
They do.
All right, looks like that was a good cover on
XBIO's looking heavy. XBIO. That was kind of the sleepy fader I was going to look at today. 920s, right? Like the decent risk on it to stay heavy against. It's got a wide spread. It's got a little wide spread, but I like that it's fairly tight.
Yeah, a lot of stuff is green again today on the watch list.
Oh,
we got XBio and Buru are the king faders.
Doug, good morning. How's your morning going? GLTO. Oh my god, back down towards the open. Doug, your computer froze on you? Oh my god, Doug, I'm sorry to hear that. Jeez.
Damn, dude. Did you have the app on your phone? GLTO, is it like Head and Shoulders sloppy nightmare zone? Or is this the base?
I just don't see this thing making another move up, but yeah, I mean, I'm definitely interested there.
TTRX looks like it's halting up. Could have been a minute late and then $100,000 short.
NXL kind of working out, guys. And GLTO is getting my interest too, but fades. NXL still has a lot of room down. I've been
Okay.
red on it most of the
BJDX
morning,
off
but
4.
but
Yeah,
just want you to
okay.
be
Just
aware of
tunnel
it.
seller. Okay, and then BJDX off 4 is an interesting level, guys.
Yeah.
TTRX halted up. GLTO, guys. GLTO might be giving it up. Keep an eye out. This is key. 1450 is key, guys. If it busts down and holds down, look out below.
I feel
It
chasey
just
at this
wicked right
point
there
on
at
it.
that level. Yeah, it does feel chasey, so you got to go like a third of like
Yeah.
size that you really want to. And then, but yeah, it's kind of hard to set a risk level where it is. It is kind of chasey. Yeah. Reality of it.
Kind of a
BJDX flush, guys. BJDX could be on elevator halt watch. Oh, look at that. Straight through 4, man. That thing's getting wild, guys. BJDX, be careful. Real careful that
it's the
MM field
king
data.
market maker manipulation play of the day.
Yeah. GLTO getting a little wick down from that 1450 key and coming back. Might not be done.
I think I'm gonna go small
EPWK, it's
GLT.
almost there. We can get our 10 cents soon. It's at 13 cents now. Starting to get interested.
I think I'm gonna go small GLTO and just risk like 17.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's not a bad idea, but I'm not a fan of that wick down and reclaim either. Remember, it's up so much. Like, yeah, it's hard to say, man. It's hard. I think I almost would rather kind of chase it down than try to get involved here on like a reclaim up, and because the Warriors are also looking for something, and this is like that previous day pumper that had it. But yeah, it's from 9 to 18, dude. Like, why? Just talk about
Yeah.
a sloppy second pop. Like, that's a sloppy seconds pop, like crazy.
I'm taking it against like 17.
Okay. Pushing for 16 now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just
Setting the
small
stop
size.
on it.
Are you working the competition at all, or just the funded? So
Not really, but I might start working that in a few minutes when I go over to trade the pool, because
yeah,
I'm not seeing a
okay.
ton of like A+ setups. But
Yeah, that's how I feel today. I'm kind of just something's telling me to just kind of chill out today. I don't know, just getting that vibe. But that could just be because I've been on a good streak too. Like, I know like psychology is it's good for my psychology to take it slow after a green day and not the opposite and like push it hard. But also I feel like the market's telling me to like slow down as well. So
GLTO getting rowdy right here.
yeah, just careful with that thing, man. It's got the pumping nature. James, what are the Warriors on?
Oh man, yeah. Like we'll see how the day ends up. I'm nearly scratch-ish right now.
Yeah, I started small red and now I'm up like $1.50 and just I'm content with that on a day like today. It feels a little trappy, a little choppy. So I'll probably just chill out and revisit after hours, my bread and butter. See if there's anything for me to milk there.
CRML metals play is back up. Wow, after the move it made the other day. Dude, that is going to be met with a lot of resistance. It is the metals, and I don't know if I want to get involved with metals.
GLTO, a couple wicks there at 17. Now going a little lower again. Is that the sloppy pop? There are a lot of wicks there at 17, bro. 16, 17 range. Is it going to lure me in with you?
SCWO, I'm out. SCWO took me out of leftovers there. It's all the way back up, man, towards like 91.2 cents.
Yeah. TTRX, guys, is very interesting as well. Like, the thing's up the most on the day. It's a halt fest right now. It was super bearish. Like, what are the MMs going to do here? Might be, don't get sucked in, but it could be one to play real small size for the bigger picture. Tricky.
And I gotta head over to trade the pool. Any last words, Mr. Fades?
That's it, guys. Just stick to the process, stick to the plan, and yeah, we'll see you guys soon.
Yeah, good work. Good work. All right. Well, we'll touch base in the Discord.
Okay, yeah, for sure. I'm more active in there. Yeah, and my messages are open, guys. If anyone needs help or anything, DMs are open. Hit me up.
All right, traders. We will see you tomorrow morning.